And we begin with a story getting a lot of buzz online. At first, a Dallas County judge reduced a murder suspect's bond, and now there's new outrage over the amount it's being raised.
The district attorney says it's not enough, and one police association is asking the judge to remove herself from the case. Here's WFAA's Rebecca Lopez.
Judge Chica Anyam has been under fire after lowering the bonds for Julio Guerrero.
It was reckless, irresponsible, not appropriate.
Guerrero initially was being held on more than $6 million in bonds for murder, aggravated assaults, including the shooting of a child, and shooting at officers when they went to arrest him. Judge Anyam lowered his bonds not once but twice to about $500,000. She states in court records the defendant remained in jail unable to post the current bond, so the bond is reduced.
June 2021.
The National Latino Law Enforcement Organization held a news conference condemning the judge's actions.
It actually insults the families of the victims and our law enforcement officers here in the city of Dallas.
WFAA also reported the defense attorney in this case, Tom Cox, donated $5,000 since 2015 to Judge Anyam's campaigns.
She should have excused herself from this hearing and allowed another judge to come in and hear this case.
Early this morning, after our story aired, the judge raised Guerrero's murder bond from $100,000 to $600,000, but didn't raise the other bonds. Now, the district attorney is asking for a hearing for the judge to reconsider all of the bonds, stating when law enforcement attempted to apprehend the defendant, not only did he again resort to violence, but he also attempted to flee the scene armed. The state believes this defendant poses a threat to the community and is a flight risk.
Hopefully we'll get that message across to the judges, and we're going to hold every judge accountable if they do release violent criminals under their watch.
Texas law allows all defendants to have a bond, but in some cases, bond can be denied or set high enough so a person who poses a threat to the community is held in jail until trial. Judge Anyam's court sent us a message saying she does not comment on ongoing cases. Guerrero's defense attorney did not return multiple calls for comment. In Dallas, I'm Rebecca Lopez.
Okay, there's a lot of layers to this story, but Rebecca's been following it from the start. You can hear from one of the victims' families and read more about the case on our WFAA app. It's free in your app store.